Mastering the meaning of avoid trial. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, avoid trial. It's a phrase that pops up in legal dramas, news stories, and sometimes in everyday conversations. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for both English language proficiency and for getting a deeper insight into how English speakers communicate complex ideas in a few words. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase starting with the word avoid. Avoid means to keep away from or to prevent something from happening. It's an action that you take when you do not want to engage with someone or something. In English, avoid can be used in various contexts. For example, avoiding people can mean staying away from them because you don't want to interact. Avoiding foods might be because of allergies or dietary choices. Avoiding situations often refers to staying away from potential problems or risks. Understanding avoid is the first step to grasping the full meaning of the phrase, avoid trial. Now let's talk about trial. In a legal context, a trial is a formal examination of evidence in a court, where a judge and often a jury decide whether someone is guilty or innocent of a crime. Trials can be lengthy, stressful, and expensive, which is why someone might want to avoid them. The key components of a trial include presentation of evidence, witness testimonies, legal arguments, jury deliberation, verdict. A trial is the cornerstone of the judicial process in many legal systems around the world. Combining these two words, avoid trial, refers to actions taken to prevent a legal dispute from going to trial. This can happen for several reasons. Settlement out of court. Parties might reach an agreement and settle the dispute without the need for a trial. Plea bargaining. In criminal cases, the accused may accept a plea deal, pleading guilty to a lesser charge to avoid a more serious one that would be argued at trial. Insufficient evidence. Sometimes, cases are dropped because there isn't enough evidence to go to trial. Avoid trial doesn't necessarily mean that someone is admitting guilt or wrongdoing. Often, it's a strategic decision to minimize risks or losses. Let's put avoid trial into some sentences to see how it works in context. The company decided to settle the lawsuit to avoid trial and save on legal fees. The defendant entered a plea bargain to avoid trial and get a reduced sentence. After negotiating, both parties agreed on a compromise to avoid trial and come to a quick resolution. Using it in a sentence helps to solidify your understanding of the phrase in real-world use. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of avoid trial for you. Remember, understanding these phrases is not just about word-for-word translation but about getting the gist of their practical use in specific contexts. Practice using the phrase in sentences, and you'll master it in no time. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy learning!